Hole number 6 at Quinta de Vale is a challenging 413-metre par 4 that offers little relief off the tee. From the moment your ball lands on the fairway, it's under threat. To the left there's more water, true to form for this course so far, making any overdrawn drive susceptible to getting wet. On the right, an impressive bunker stretches an imposing 220 metres, running nearly the entire length of the hole and only letting up as you approach the green. If you manage to land safely in the fairway's landing zone, you're part way to conquering this hole. Your second shot should easily clear the fairway's pinch point, after which it opens up to around 60 metres, allowing a chance to run onto the green or set up an easy chip for your third. The green is guarded only by a solitary bunker on the right, but once you're on the putting surface, you're rewarded with a true roll offering a real shot at birdie, depending, of course, on the day's pin placement.